I've been using Figma for a while now, and this is my honest, non-sponsored review. I'll quickly explain what Figma does, where it stands out, and a few limitations you should know about. By the end of this video, you should have a clear idea of whether it fits your needs. So, what exactly is Figma? Figma is a cloud-based design and prototyping platform used for UI and UX design, product development, and team collaboration. It combines design tools, prototyping features, developer handoff tools, and collaborative workspaces into a single platform. The goal is to keep the entire product design process in one place. One of Figma's biggest strengths is real-time collaboration. Multiple designers, developers, product managers, and clients can work in the same file simultaneously. What stood out to me was how much this reduces version control headaches. Instead of sending files back and forth, everyone can see updates, comments, and changes as they happen. Another major advantage is the growing ecosystem of tools built into the platform. Features like Figma Make, Figma Draw, and Figma Sites allow users to move from concepts and mockups to interactive designs and even live web experiences without constantly switching between different applications. For teams trying to streamline their workflow, this can be a significant benefit. The third strength is developer handoff. Figma's dev mode makes it easy for developers to inspect designs, review spacing, access design tokens, and extract implementation details. After using it on collaborative projects, I found the transition from design to development much smoother than with older workflows. That said, there are some limitations. The biggest issue is performance on large projects. As files become more complex, with thousands of layers and components, I noticed that responsiveness can start to suffer. Another drawback is that some AI-generated outputs still require considerable manual editing. While the AI tools can speed up early-stage work, they're not always production-ready. Finally, Figma remains heavily dependent on a stable internet connection. Although there are some offline capabilities, the platform works best when you're connected. Overall, Figma is an excellent choice for UI designers, product teams, and developers who need a collaborative, all-in-one design platform. However, users focused on print design or those who frequently work offline may find other tools better suited to their workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews.